guys, welcome to the channel. Mike here. Thanks for clicking on the video. It's gonna be a short little video, just a continuation from my last video on the driveway channel drain that I put in, and kind of the last part of it, just the kind of scraping and kind of leveling out the ground and so on. And so I just want to give you an update on that. There again, most of it's time lapse, not a lot to talk about. So I'll just kind of show you that, show you what I did. Straight lines that you would get with a $3,000 contracted install, but I think it'll work, and that was my goal. I'm not a cement guy, but I can kind of fake my way through it. The blemishes are a little more obvious to me, maybe. It's not perfectly straight or perfectly even or perfectly flat, but I think with the asphalt bumping up against it, I think it's going to work just fine. So anyway, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Thanks for the support, and subscribers, I appreciate your support as well, and the comments that you folks leave on a regular basis. Appreciate that. Shout out to all my police friends and cohorts and public servants for Police Week. Thank you for your service. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk to you soon.